Today's event, like a lot of these events that I attend, were pretty interesting in the sense that the knowledge of blockchain and the insurtech space seems to vary. I've spent a lot of time with people in the insurance space and insurance carriers representing clients that want to get in this space. And I think there's a couple components here. There's just understanding blockchain from a fundamental level of what it is. The next is, which I think is, what can we use it for? We always use the term use cases. And it's kind of interesting to hear some of the use cases in here, a lot of times underwriting or claims management. The one that I tend to struggle with and my clients come to me for, and frankly I think a lot of people seem to struggle with, because I didn't have that light bulb moment today, was how you implement it. Whether it's internally in companies where if you have a large traditional carrier that says, we want to start using blockchain to reduce friction, which gets so cost of doing things, collecting information. How do we start? How do we get buy-in from the people that currently work there? How do we get buy-in from our data and privacy people? Because everything comes with it a certain level of skepticism and fear. But the larger one that I try to understand is trying to get, when it's outside the corporation, whether you want to bring insurers in, reinsurers, retrocessionaires. There's been a lot of talk of how this would reduce a tremendous amount of friction if everybody just started using this private blockchain. And the question that I still grapple with is, how do you herd all of these cats to get on board and do something in this space when it's hard for, again, people to understand it, people to get over that skepticism. So my issue, or the thing that I'm still wrapping my mind around, and I think this conference moves the ball along, is the implementation. So we understand what it is, or we continue to educate people what blockchain is in different parts of insurtech. We identify the use cases, which I don't think are that hard to figure out in a business like insurance and reinsurance, of what is antiquated or has friction. But I think the most important, what I'm still working on, is how you implement it. And I think that's kind of where this industry and this space needs to go.